Hey, I am Paul. Do you know that there are international years currently observed by the United Nations every year? If not, you are at the right place. Keep on watching till the end. Before we move on, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for new updates. UN. The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that was tasked to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation and be a center for harmonizing the actions of nations. Established on October 24, 1945, it consists of 193 member states. The headquarters of the UN is in Manhattan, New York City. There are the international years currently observed by the United Nations. The United Nations designates specific days, weeks, years and decades as occasions to mark particular events or topics in order to promote, through awareness and action, the objectives of the organization. Without wasting your time, let's move on mainly to the agricultural international years proposed, and the celebrations, declared by the specialized agencies of the United Nations, such as UNESCO, UNICEF, FAO, etc., when they concern issues that fall within the scope of their competencies. Camelids are large, strictly herbivorous animals, are members of the biological family Camelidae. Year 2024 is proposed as International Year of Camelids. On December 5, 2017, the UN General Assembly declared 2022 as the International Year of Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture, which will help focus attention on the small-scale fishermen and women who comprise 90% of the world's fisheries workforce. The International Year of Plant Health will be marked in 2020 and is expected to increase awareness about the importance of healthy plants in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Year 2019. Presently this year is designated as International Year of Periodic Table of Chemical Elements, Indigenous Languages, and Moderation individually. Year 2018 has not been designated for any topic. Year 2017 promoted as International Year of Sustainable Tourism for Development. 2016 was declared as the International Year of Pulses by the 68th session of the United Nations General Assembly on December 20, 2013. The FAO intends to make people more aware of the nutritional value of pulses, of their contribution to sustainability, and more reliable food. Year 2015 assigned as International Year of Soil. The 68th Union General Assembly declared 2015 the International Year of Soils. The key message was that the healthy soils are the basis for healthy food production. Year 2015 also assigned as International Year of Light and Light-Based Technologies. Year 2014 designated as International Year of Family Farming, Crystallography, and Small Island Developing States, individually. In recognition of ancestral practices of the Andean people, who have managed to preserve quinoa in its natural state as food for present and future generations, through ancestral practices. 2013 was designated as International Year of Quinoa. And also International Year of Water Cooperation. The importance of water cooperation lies in the fact that water is a cross-cutting issue which demands attention at all levels and across sectors. Year 2012 was assigned as the International Year of Sustainable Energy for All, presents a valuable opportunity to raise awareness about the importance of increasing sustainable access to energy, energy efficiency, and renewable energy at the local, national, regional and international levels. On the 20th December 2006, the United Nations General Assembly declared 2011 as the International Year of Forests, to raise awareness of sustainable management, conservation and sustainable development of all types of forests. Year 2011 was also promoted as International Year of Chemistry and International Year of Youth. Year 2010 was enriched with the slogan, Biodiversity is Love. Biodiversity is Life. 2010 was the International Year of Biodiversity. It was meant to help raise awareness of the importance of biodiversity through activities and events, to influence decision makers, and to elevate biological diversity nearer to the top of the political agenda. Year 2009. International Year of Natural Fibers. It was intended to cover a wide range of natural fibers, of animal and vegetable origin, and with uses ranging from luxurious apparel to traditional and non-traditional industrial uses. Year 2008. Potato is a staple food in the diet of the world's population, and affirming the need to focus world attention on the role that the potato. Year 2008 was declared the International Year of the Potato by the United Nations. Year 2008 was also promoted as International Year of Planet Earth, Languages and Sanitation, individually. Year 2007 to 2008 was designated as International Polar Year. Year 2006 International Year of Deserts and Desertification. Year 2005 was designated as International Year of Microcredit, Physics, Sports and Physical Education individually. Rice is a staple food for more than half the world's population, and affirming the need to heighten awareness of the role of rice in alleviating poverty and malnutrition, 2004 was celebrated as International Year of Rice. Year 2003. To increase awareness of the importance of sustainable freshwater use, management and protection, Year 2013 was promoted as International Year of Freshwater. Year 2002. International Year of Mountains, Ecotourism and Cultural Heritage. And lastly, ending with up year 1985 as International Year of United Nations. So you must have enriched with the international years till now. What is your favorite international year? Comments in the section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay connected. Till then, goodbye.